So listen up. Anthropic just cut Claude Code's usage limits during the session times that are in peak hours. So that's 5 a.m. to like 11 a.m. Pacific time. That means everyone needs to be watching the token limit. So put down the pitchforks. Don't get so pissed off at Anthropic. I've got 5 tips for you to reduce your token limit and really be smart with using your Claude Code so you can avoid hidden limits and essentially be riding that wave of like 80% usage, getting the most out of Claude Code. Hey, I'm Kevin. I break down what's happening in AI and how you can build with it. So if that's you, hit follow. So number 1, hit the / context command. Often when you're running with Claude Code, this will tell you exactly where your tokens are going and where your usage limits are being hit. So when you run / context, you're going to get this nice little dashboard, this little visual in Claude Code that will point out all the areas that your tokens are getting used. So if you see anything that's new or you don't recognize, go ahead and look into that. Also, just turn off the stuff you're not using so that you reduce your token limit, especially during these peak hours. Step 2 is keep your Claude MD file really concise and to the point. So Boris and the Anthropic team recommend keeping it within 100 lines, and they keep it well below that, and they often audit it all the time. And so what I'm going to release to my AI research community this week is my Claude MD creator skill, which essentially just helps you create, and it kind of interrogates you like the ask user question tool does. And it will ask you and figure out what your need is for that Claude MD file in that project folder and help you keep that really refined and performing well for your token usage. Step 3, be specific with your prompts. The prompt engineering is kind of dead, but there are certain reasons you need to be specific with your prompts and help guide Claude to what you need to do. And one of those is around files and referencing things. So instead of telling Claude to go find something, actually give it the file path or actually upload it into Claude Code, as opposed to saying, go in my folder and look for this. That's going to run a lot of tokens. Number 4, this is the answer nobody likes, but use Sonnet more. Have it run as sub-agents. Make it do remedial tasks for you. Have it do / commands, loops, hooks, other stuff. And have Opus do all the hard work, the architecture, the planning. Have Opus be your main thinking and have Sonnet be a lot of your actor. And then step 5 is look for cool tools like this in GitHub. This is called RTK, and what it does is it helps Claude Code to consolidate a lot of the commands it uses, like git commands, read commands, lookup commands. It'll take those commands and take out the white space, take out the extra noise, and it can reduce token usage for those commands by 60 to 80%. So sure, Anthropic reduced your usage limit during those high peaked hours, but now is the time to optimize to make the most of that Claude Code.